This is a carpenter bee trap, and I made it in this video right here. But what if you have limited tools and not a lot of wood? Well, today's video is all about that. So I'm gonna show you how to turn this 4-inch 2x4 into a carpenter bee trap. Your first step is to get a 1/2-inch Forstner bit and then drill down on the top right here until it goes about halfway. I'm gonna clamp this to my workstation. Well, that drill bit was very dull, so I'm gonna switch to a 1/2-inch paddle bit. Now we'll take a 5/8" drill bit and go up halfway, and then we're gonna try to meet this hole at an angle. So if you shine that light up in there, you should be able to see it on that other hole. Now we'll do the same for the other side. All right, there you go. We got all of the holes drilled. Okay, now we'll give it a massage with some 120 grit. All right, just to give this thing a little bit more character, we're gonna blow torch it. No, you could probably just use stain, but I decided to blow torch it because it's my favorite look. Now that looks a lot better. All right, for your last step, all you have to do is just get a bottle, screw it into the bottom right here. I used just a dish soap bottle. You can use Coke bottles, water bottles, pretty much anything you can think of. But if you have like a Gatorade bottle or Body Armor or something, you can just get a bigger paddle bit and make that hole bigger so it can screw in. Now this piece of wood we use is 4 inches long, which means you can get 24 of these pieces out of one 8-foot 2x4. Now if I were to go out and sell these things, I would sell them for about $5 to $10 a piece. And that means by selling these for $5 a piece, you can make $120 off of an 8-foot 2x4 that cost you about $5. So basically how these things works is carpenter bees, which like drill holes in your porch, they think this is their home and then they get up into the top right here. So they go down here and then they're just like not smart enough to get out. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this short little video. If you want to see a video on how to make a bigger carpenter bee trap, click right over here. And if you want to see how to make a bird feeder, click right over here. Thanks for watching everybody. I will see y'all next time.